Hello everyone, welcome to Bus Crimson. My name is Shakib. Today I'm going to show you how to use this dividend portfolio tracker you're seeing on the screen. Why? Because I made this for you. It's free and it can save you a lot of time. I have the link for you in the video description, so make sure you get yourself a copy. Alright, so let me show you how to use this so you can take off with your portfolio. Alright, so you click the link and you got yourself a copy of Bus Crimson's Dividend Playbook. Make sure you're on the Dividend Portfolio Tracker tab. So this is what you're going to come across. Right now, the dashboard is empty because we're going to show you, I'm going to show you how to build a $1,000 dividend portfolio. And then you're going to see the dashboard in action, okay? You only have to fill out the yellow highlighted cells, okay? So some of them are already populated. I'm going to show you the first cell, and that should tell you how to fill this out. So there's some stocks here. I think there's one ETF here. These are pretty good tickers. I have some of them in my portfolio. Feel free to check them out. They're pretty good. All right, so in ticker, let's just put PM, Philip Morris, one of the classic dividend stock. It's going to populate the market price. All the other ones, let's just assume we're building this portfolio today. So let's put a stock price, average purchase price, very close to the market price. Let's say since we bought it today, let's just put 78. We don't have any shares yet because we haven't invested yet. We're going to show you where to put the, how much you have invested. So gain percentage is based on the market price and average purchase price difference. Don't worry about it. It's going to get filled up automatic. Year-to-date gain, straight out of this. 52-week high. We all know what that is. It's good to have it in here in case you get curious. So let's look at frequency and yield. Frequency is how often the dividend gets paid for each stock, and yield is what is the yearly yield, dividend yield. So let me show you how to find that out right away. So Philip Morris, you're gonna go to the right and you're gonna click history, and it's gonna open the dividend channel. Okay, you can see that it's obvious Philip Morris is a really good stock for dividend. So you go here and you see dividend yield. Okay, so it's 6.15. Let's put here 6.15. You can find out from here right away, but you can also go to the NASDAQ version, which is you go to X dividend date and you click on the link. As you can see, they pay dividend quarterly because 3, 6, 9, these are quarterly dates. Hey, look, the X dividend date for Philip Morris is coming. Maybe you can still have time to get in it. But okay, so now you know it's paid quarterly, so put a Q here. Here's an example of monthly dividend paying stock, OXLC. It's pays monthly, so put M. Based on that, is gonna calculate how much dividend you're gonna get per stock for 1 year, and then it's gonna show you the distribution based on the distribution frequency. Okay, so you're good to go. Like for example, this $1.02, that's how much you're gonna get for each stock per distribution on a Philip Morris stock. All right, so now it's time for us to start putting money in these 10 tickers that we have. All right, you're gonna come in here. As you can see, these are yellow. So from 1 to all the way to 50 is here. These are investment rounds, and you're gonna start putting money. So we have $1,000. Let's just start investing. Let's put 100 here in Philip Morris, 100 here, 150 here, 50 here, 50 here, 100, 150, 150, 150. Did we go over? I believe no. Wow. Okay, awesome. We are right at $1,000. So whenever you are investing, enter a positive number. It's going to be highlighted green after you do it. So it's easier to check. Make sure you insert correct numbers. If you're selling some stock, just put a negative and then put I don't know, let's just say we're selling $20 worth of Philip Morris. It's going to be highlighted red. And it's going to be reflected here. So let's just take that out for now. So let's say, so you just need to move from left to right. Investment rounds 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you keep it clean. And now it's going to show you your allocation and how much money you invested. All right, our dashboard is live except one thing. We need to put how many stocks we have in our portfolio. We have 10 here. So just put 10. That's it. Everything's ready. This portfolio that we just created by investing 1,000, the average yield is about 8%. The monthly income is going to be $17.54, and yearly income is going to be $200.51. That's really good. The yearly return on that $1,000 is almost 21%. That's amazing. Like, try to generate that return by investing. You might lose money, or I mean, it's just there's a lot of uncertainties where a lot of these stocks out of these 10 are very safe. So think about it. That this isn't. It's actually crazy how this example portfolio generates such a crazy return, but it is what it is. And year-to-date return, since we put very average purchase price, very close to market price, it's just there's literally no return. But if the stocks also appreciate in value, you would get gain on the stock on top of the dividend return, which is not reflected here. But that's pretty much it for this this tracker. Everything else, as you add more stock, you can just drag down the most of the formulas. Whatever you don't want to drag down, that's yellow, so just fill it out by going to the respective links. I mean, you can't get better than this for starting out a dividend portfolio. So check it out, try it out, see how it goes. If you have any questions, let me know. I will answer within a day or two. But yeah, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. I mean, when you subscribe to my channel, it really lets me know that, wow, people are interested in these type of tools, and that encourages me to keep making them, right? So, all right, yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching.